Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to properly use a shark bite. So this is a 3/4 shark bite. We're going to go to copper, but before we install it, we're going to deburr the copper. Now this is really important. A lot of guys forget this. So to deburr it, you just want to go on the edge 3 or 4 times around. See those burrs come out? And you're good. But before we install the shark bite, we're going to measure with a Sharpie the depth. Okay? Because we want to make sure that this copper goes all the way up into that shark bite. And now what we do is we just push in. Hear that click? We're good. Now, PEX, we can mix it. Copper PEX, no problem. We also want to deburr the PEX. Go around the PEX 3 times. See the burrs? Measure. We want to make sure we measure so when we install it, it goes all the way up. Now we just push in. Boom, click. We're good to go. Guys, this is only a temporary fix. If you want something more permanent, call your local plumber. I'm Zack with Adam Mechanical. Quick fix.